Discover your musical potential. Yannis Kapa guitar. For this week's video, we're going to learn G Major Bar Chord. Okay, everybody, G Major Bar Chord. So what you do is you put your first finger all the way to the 3rd fret. See this? In order to have a good grip over it, you have your thumb right here, almost right across your first finger. You see that? In order to have a better grip, and then you press, and then you press a little bit towards that side here. So on the sideways, that's gonna help you out. Now, you put your 2nd finger on the 3rd string, 4th fret, and then you put your 3rd finger on 5th fret, 5th string, and then you put your pinky finger on 5th fret, 4th string. Now, I will remind you again, you see where my thumb is? You see where my middle finger and my first finger are? You see how across that is? If you do it this way, you're gonna have a very good grip over the bar chord, and it's gonna sound very clear. Now remember, always use your thumb in the middle of the fretboard, okay? So you can press. Never do this. Never. That's not gonna serve you anything, and you're gonna hurt your wrist long term, and you're always gonna limit you on developing your musical technical skills. And that, my friends, is the G Major Bar Chord. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon, leave a comment, click view, so you will get every week a video about guitar lessons, anything related to guitars, and how to learn how to play. And that's for this week's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.